weight. Intermittent fasting is simple and easiest way of losing weight, especially when combined with healthy diet and exercise. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves alternating cycles of fasting and eating. It is not a diet but rather a way of structuring your meals throughout the day or week. Methods of intermittent fasting. Number 1. Time restricted feeding. This method involves limiting your daily eating window to a specific number of hours and fasting for the remaining hours. For example, you might choose to eat all your meals within an 8-hour window and fasting for remaining 16 hours. Number 2. Alternate day fasting. This approach involves fasting every other day. On fasting days, you may consume very few calories or no food at all. Number 3. 5-2 fasting. This method involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and restricting calorie intake to around 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Intermittent fasting can be an effective strategy for weight loss due to several reasons. Number 1. Calorie restriction. Intermittent fasting naturally restricts your eating window, which can lead to a reduction in overall calorie intake. By consuming fewer calories, your body needs to find alternative source of energy such as stored fat, which can contribute to weight loss over time. Number 2. Increased fat burning. During fasting periods, when your body has depleted its glycogen stores, it starts breaking down stored fat for energy. This promotes fat burning. Number 3. Insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity. This can help regulate blood sugar level and prevent excess glucose from being stored as fat. Number 4. HGH hormone. IF can increase the production of human growth hormone, which aids in fat burning. Intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss. But long-term success still depends on maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and adopting a healthy lifestyle overall.